This week at work, I want to share an idea around how you digitize your business. I had a really fascinating engagement now with a company that specializes in digitizing, let's call it, activities that make hotels work, that allow hotels to function more productively, more efficiently, more smartly, for that matter. They create additional services that guests can easily access, and through that, enjoy a better experience, and through that, the hotel itself can earn some additional revenue. And digitization is never as simple as the word in itself implies. The best approach that we have seen consistently work is one wherein which the question needs to be asked, digitizing what? And the what is where the opportunity either flies or fails. The best way to define digitization, or rather to interpret what can be digitized, is to digitize something that's already working. If digitization is seen to solve a problem that is not clearly defined in the business, I think it's likely you're going to fall prey to the promise of false hope, false prophets, and white knights. And by that, what I mean is find a great piece of software that promises to either support the business, grow the business, solve all the problems in the business until you've actually understood what the problem is. Let's put it differently. A fresh approach to digitization, for that matter, could well be this. If you, for example, are looking at marketing and your marketing is not working, hoping that a piece of software is going to solve the problem of that marketing is by definition fallacious. It's a mistake. Rather get the marketing right. Once you've got the marketing right, what is it that you want to digitize? It should be the processes, the procedures, the activities, let's call it the system of how you market, that defines which piece of software is best suited to enable that process to be digitized. The benefits of doing it that way is that the choice of digitization, the choice of software, the choice of code that you decide to build is informed by the market proving that what you're doing is working, as opposed to hoping that those choices will indeed solve a problem that you have in your business that is currently not working. If your marketing is failing, hoping that software can solve it is wrong. If your sales are not working effectively, hoping that a Salesforce.com or any other CRM for that matter can solve it is wrong. Get the physical process, the manual process, the analog process working first, well defined, and then digitize that by making the right choice with that spec in mind around which software or what kind of digitization codes or software that you build will get that job done for you. Watch out for the false prophets and white knights who claim the software will solve it. Until next week at work, have an entrepreneurial day.